Sick of your car feeling like a time capsule? Check out these must-have gadgets that will turn your vehicle into a modern marvel. Last are my favorite one. So let's go.
Hey fam, you don't want to miss this deal. This iPhone car charger is the ultimate road trip essential. This bad boy charges up to 4 devices at once. It's got overcurrent and short circuit protection, so no worries. High quality chips make for super fast and stable charging. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel and more. Check out these retractable cables. They stretch up to 31.5 inches. Just stretch them and let them bounce back when you're done. No more cable chaos in your car. Works with any mainstream vehicle, so super versatile. Charge your iPad, AirPods or whatever you got. It even pivots 180 degrees. Perfect for those bumpy rides. So why wait? This charger's a steal. Grab yours now before it's gone.
Ever been on a long drive and felt that lower back pain? You know, the one that makes you question your life choices? Sitting for too long can seriously mess you up. Well, meet your new best friend, the memory foam car seat cushion. This baby is here to save your back and your sanity. It's got this cool design, thin in the front, thick in the back. It helps relieve pressure under your thighs and support your lumbar. Perfect for short peeps who need that extra lift and better view. The slow rebounding foam keeps its shape so you get firm support. Breathable fabric means you stay fresh even on those hot days. Whether it's a quick drive or a road trip, this cushion has your back. And guess what? It makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who drives. Quality, top notch. Trust me, they will love it.
Meet the Safe Hammer, the future of emergency escape tools. It's time to level up your safety game with this sleek tool. Be ahead of the pack with a safety tool you can trust. This bad boy features a high-pressure spring for instant glass breaking with a tungsten steel blade, goodbye car windows, hello freedom, built-in seatbelt cutter keeps you safe and sound, no injuries here, breaks solid window glass in just a flash with massive impact force, perfect for rescue situations or unexpected emergencies. Just remember, it only works on side windows, not windshields. Lightweight and trendy, only 3.6 inches of pure power. Fits on your keychain or console, convenience on point. Grab yours now to stay safe and stylish. Don't miss out.
Hey fam, are you tired of funky smells in your car? Let me introduce you to the Enoch Ionic Car Air Purifier. This little gadget releases over 5.6 million negative ions. It's like a spa day for your car's air quality. Say goodbye to smoke, pet, and food odors instantly. And the best part, a light ozone scent similar to fresh rain. Goodbye musty smells. Hello, refreshing rides. Worried about safety? It's ETL certified and carb compliant. You're totally covered while you breathe easy. Plus, it's got dual USB ports for your tech needs. Keep your devices charged and your air fresh during road trips. And don't sweat it, there's a 1-year warranty. Order now and step up your car game.
Hey there everyone, you need to check this out right now. This Mirror Case phone holder is everything you need for your car. No more worrying about your phone falling off while you're driving. This holder sticks like glue, no matter the conditions. You can pop your phone in or take it out with just one hand. Talk, navigate, or blast your jams without missing a beat. The double locking suction cups are super sturdy and heat resistant. Just rinse it off to restore that sticky goodness whenever needed. Adjust it any way you like. Landscape, portrait, you name it. Get the perfect viewing angle and drive safe, my friends.
Why are you still fumbling with your phone on flights? The Lysen Airplane Phone Holder secures your phone in just 0.1 seconds. This is not just a holder, it's a game changer for travelers. Stability is key when you're in the sky. Say goodbye to those wobbly phone holders. This gadget keeps your phone safe and secure during long flights. Need the perfect angle for a movie or snack? With 360 degrees of rotation, you're covered. Capture epic vlogs or check your flight info with ease. Searching for the best gift for that travel buddy? This is the ultimate stocking stuffer for travelers. Make their adventures more enjoyable. Order this now.
So let's talk about something you definitely shouldn't buy. This hidden camera detector is just way too good at finding hidden cameras. Trust me, you don't want to accidentally uncover all those camera creepiness. This little device can see through anything, so better to stay in the dark, right? With its insane wireless and infrared scanning tech, it's a total game changer. It can spot signals from from 100 MHz to 8 GHz. Like, seriously, who needs that kind of power? Plus, it's got 5 sensitivity levels so you can flex it however you want. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for your travels or hotel stays. And don't worry about the battery, it's got a high capacity that lasts ages. I guess you'll just have to be super careful about your privacy or something.
Did you know this tiny device can totally upgrade your car experience? With a 1.44-inch LCD display, it's a total game changer. Plus, the flexible gooseneck makes it super comfy to see while driving. Picture this: hands-free calls with absolutely no road noise. Thanks to Nulaxi's noise cancellation tech, every convo is crystal clear. Switching between calls and tunes, it couldn't be easier. Imagine jamming out to your favorite playlists anytime you want. This adapter streams music with hi-fi sound quality, pure fire. You can even connect via Bluetooth, TF card or aux cable. It works with almost any device you own, like magic. Compatible with iPhone, Android, tablets, you name it. So why wait? Grab yours now and elevate your driving game.
Tired of a messy trunk? Like seriously? How can you find anything in there? That's a hot mess. The Surdoka organizer just got upgraded again. We're talking thicker, tougher fabric that won't quit. 30% more capacity? You bet, it's a game changer. This baby is made with high density 600D Oxford fabric. Tear resistant and waterproof, no joke. And we're talking super strong stitching like backpack level. Installing it takes less than 3 minutes. Easy peasy. Plus, it won't slide around because of the non-slip strips. Your trunk deserves to be organized, trust me. Grab your Surdoka car trunk organizer today.